Springfield!
So these two Korean words can actually mean both to and from. Let's find out why. 안녕하세요 여러분, 현우입니다. Hi, I'm Hyunwoo from TalkToMeInKorean.com. So we got a question on Twitter. By the way, we get a ton of questions on Twitter and we answer them through quoted tweets so that other people can also see the original questions. So please follow us on Twitter at TTMIK and post your questions there. And when you do post your questions, please don't put like 3 or 4 different questions in one tweet. You know, it's really difficult for us to do the thing that we're doing with like quoted tweets. So put one question in one individual tweet and maybe send us many tweets. That way we can answer everything more effectively. So back to the question. The question was, what is the difference between 에게 and 에게서? 에게 and 에게서. I guess the reason that this question actually came up was because 에게 means from, 에게서 means also from. And what is the difference? Why is that extra 서 there? So I answered by saying 에게 means to or from, 에게서 means from only. And there's another word that you need to know about, and that is 한테. 에게 is more formal sounding, more written language like, and 한테 is more common in spoken Korean. So if you hear Korean kids talking, they will probably never say 에게 because that's more common in written language. But 에게 and 한테 are basically the same in terms of their meanings, and 에게서 and 한테서, they're the same. 한테 and 에게, which are the same, they can mean either to or from in the Korean language. This can seem like it's confusing at first, but over time, when you actually look at the context as well, it's super simple. So for example, you say 친구한테, 친구한테, and the listener will probably never know whether it's to a friend or from a friend. But whenever you see the next following word or the verb of the sentence, it's super clear. 친구한테 받았어요. 받다 is to receive. This word has a clear direction. So 친구한테 받았어요. Did you receive it from a friend or did you give it to a friend? You did not give it to a friend. You received it, right? Because 받다 means to receive. So like that, 한테 just shows some kind of direction, but not whether it's this direction or that direction. So 친구한테 받았어요 is I received it from a friend. But if you want to very specifically say that it was from a friend, you can add that 서. 친구한테 서 받았어요. It's the same with 에게 and 에게서. 에게 can mean either to or from, and you can tell whether it's to or from through the context, but by adding 서, it becomes more clear that it is from, okay? And please note that we're only talking about giving something to somebody, doing something to someone, or receiving something from someone with to and from. We're not talking about from 3 o'clock to 5 o'clock, from Seoul to Busan. For these meanings, we use 에서까지 and 부터까지. 3시에서 5시까지, 서울에서 부산까지. And about these expressions, we have lessons on TalkToMeInKorean.com. Just use the search bar and type in to, from, or 에서까지, or 한테, 에게 to see the related audio lessons that are waiting for you there at TalkToMeInKorean.com. So I hope you understand now. 한테 can mean both to and from, through the context, and 한테서 is just from. So that's it for this lesson. Thank you for the questions that are coming on Twitter. And please visit TalkToMeInKorean.com and go to our store to find out what textbooks you can study with next. All right, I will see you in the next one. 감사합니다. Bye-bye.